video is what I like to call the couples therapy curveball. The curveball is what happens when you are in couples therapy, so you are learning these new techniques, and yet life still happens. So some of these old behaviors that you know you want to change continue to still come up. How do you navigate that curveball? I have a couple tips to help you hit that curveball out of the park. I know. Go with it. When you are learning new techniques and these old behaviors continue to come up, it happens all the time. In fact, I tend to talk about it with most of my clients. So if you are a client and we haven't quite talked about this yet, or if you are seeing another therapist, keep these things in mind. The first thing I recommend is being honest. So typically, if you can, set up this time to talk about this curveball before the curveball comes at you. So you want to say something like, okay, what do we do when this happens? I recommend two things. First, being honest. So from your point of view, you know, if you do something that you know you're working on to change and it happens, I want it to then be okay that you can go to your partner and say, I know I'm not supposed to do that, or I know I'm working on this technique and I know that's not quite how I'm supposed to handle that situation. I just want you to know that I acknowledge that I messed that up and I'm going to be doing that better. Something along those lines, ideally more authentic. You want it to come from a place that's you, because the idea, again, overall in couples therapy is that you're reconnecting with your partner. So even if you're doing something that you want to change, a big piece is acknowledging that you want to change that, and that can be a way for you to connect. The second side of that is your partner being able to say something to you. So, hey babe, don't forget we are trying to work on this technique, or we're trying to work on this specific thing. Don't forget that. Some way to bring up that, okay, that didn't quite go exactly how we wanted it to go, and we acknowledge that this is something that we're working on. So open communication about that mistake, even though it's regular and it happens, being able to say that to your partner, you know, I'm sorry, I messed that up, I hope I can do better next time, and vice versa, your partner being able to be like, hey, don't forget we're working on that technique. If you're new here, hi, my name is Emily, and I'm a relationship coach here at the Couples Workshop. I put out videos like this every week, focusing on quick tips to help you reconnect in your relationship. Please consider subscribing for more quick tip videos, and if you found this information helpful, please hit that like button. That really helps out my small channel here and my small business. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll talk soon, guys.